The first PlayStation. I remember it well. The games were so groundbreaking at the time. There were games that really impressed me, games that I could not put down, and games I felt deserved to win awards. I wanted to build something this weekend, and the PlayStation Classic inspired me to create a design and 3D print a mini PlayStation watch cover. The first thing I will need is a watch. Makes a great gift for that special someone. Get yours today. Really, any small watch will do. I was surprised with how many instructions this simple watch came with. Remember to properly file this for later use. I actually feel like I had this same watch back in middle school. I spent some time creating, tweaking, and refining my 3D model before I sent it to the 3D printer. It took a few tries before I was happy with how well the pieces fit together. I found a combination spray paint and primer that looked similar to the PlayStation Gray and slowly painted a few thin layers. The order of the assembly does matter, and I first started by inserting the watch. I had to think for a while for an easy way to close the lid automatically, and I decided that a simple rubber band could work. The hinge is designed so that the lid can pivot on a regular 1.75mm filament. The rubber band can now be tied tightly around the lid's holder and might need a little superglue or tape to help hold it in place. If the lid doesn't close, then I would tighten the tension on the rubber band or lubricate the hinge to lower friction.
And it works, yeah!
Okay, well, next, I think it would be cool to add lights in the inside that turn on when the lid is opened. And that's not easy considering how small the space is, so let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. I hope you enjoyed this quick weekend project, and as always,